Hello, my name is Devin McKenzie, the Market Analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD analysis for the 19th to the 26th of October 2017. The CFD analysis is a weekly commentary on the top 40 stocks on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange to keep the active trader up to date on the latest developments in the price action of each of these top 40 stocks. This commentary highlights key price levels, indicators of imminent shifts in momentum, possible breakouts, and other price actions that are worth noting and which may provide valuable trading opportunities. In order to get a general feel of how most of the stocks are trading in the market, one could take a look at the top 40 future index, which is a combined representation of the price action of the top 40 stocks, and then look to place trades in accordance with the movement of this index. The commentary on the top 40 future index can be found on slide 13 of this week's CFD analysis. The index has traded as high as 52,600 points over the past week, reaching this level on the 16th of October before retracing down to the 51,950 points level, which appears to be providing short-term support. The index has been helped higher today, which is the 18th of October, by a weaker rand, and it is currently testing the resistance at 52,300 points. A sustained break above 52,300 points is likely to see further strength towards 52,600 points, while a break below 51,950 points is likely to see further weakness to 51,400 points. This commentary shows that the index can move either way from here, and a lot will depend on the weakness of the rand. If the rand continues to weaken, we must say that it looks as if the index is going to trade higher in the week ahead and break above the resistance at 52,300. But it can still move lower, and if you have a look at the analysis this week, you will see that many of the commentaries favor the long side, while many of them also favor the short side. So there's a mixed bag of trading opportunities in the analysis this week, and I'd like to draw your attention in particular to the following stocks. On the short side, the stocks of Braid, Barclays Africa, Remgro, Sanlam, and Standard Bank are all at levels at which they can be shorted. And on the long side, I'd like you to draw your attention to Renet, Richmond, and Mondi, all of which are currently at levels at which they can be bought. There are other trading opportunities, but we'll need to monitor the stocks and allow for some more price action before those are looking good for trading. As mentioned, the rand is going to play quite an impact on where the index is going to go in the week ahead, and the commentary on the rand can be found on slide 13 of this week's CFD analysis as well. The rand flushed below the 13 Rand 50 cent and 13 Rand 40 cent support levels mentioned in last week's analysis, and continued to strengthen until reaching the 50-day moving average at 13 Rand 26 cents, from where it has begun to reverse higher again. A move up to the 13 Rand 80 cent region cannot be ruled out while the rand trades above 13 Rand 40 cents. A move below 13 Rand 26 is likely to be followed by further strength towards 13 Rand. So here we'll need to keep our eye on the 13 Rand 50 cent level, and if the rand continues to weaken above that level, then we're likely to see further weakness towards 13 Rand 80 cents. That's your CFD analysis for this week. If you are going to be trading, then please remember to manage your risk by using protective stop losses.